So, this is certainly have been a great opportunity to be and visit here in Latvia, the Regula headquarters. Got to see their production facilities, quality control. Got a demos on some of their from their sales folks on some of the products and services that are being offered today. And really, if you think about what's happening here, the growth potential, the quality control, the facilities that they have here rival any facilities that I have seen stateside, but really in many cases even better. I would invite anyone to certainly come and visit these facilities, first class, all the way around. The people are very nice. The people here care about their job, what they're doing, and certainly that is interpreted in the products and services that are being offered to not only the United States but other countries. We see this at every port of entry that I've currently been going through in the last number of years. So this was becoming the product and service for their particular product line of record. And I'm happy to have been here to Latvia to visit their facilities where everything is shipped out worldwide, and I look forward to coming back. Thanks.